How to add poster and contact photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. You can view all your contacts over here. Tap on any contact. Here, tap on Contact Photo and Poster. Then, tap on the Choose a Photo icon as shown. And then, tap on Photo Library. Select the photo you want from here. You can edit the photo effect if you want and then tap on Choose at the top right. Now, tap on the Poster section at the top. Tap on Choose a Photo again. Tap on Photo Library and select the photo that you want. And then, tap on Done above. Get a preview of the poster and tap on the tick icon. After that, choose an avatar from here as shown. Following these steps, you can easily add poster and contact photo on iPhone.